Hello and welcome to WeBuyAnyMotorcaravan.com. Today we've got a lovely little van. It's a 2004 Elddis Autoquest 100. This is a 4-berth motorhome with 4 belted seats. It includes external awning, bike rack, reversing sensors, TV aerial. It is in really nice condition. We've been around it with a damp meter ourselves and we couldn't find any, certainly. Nice and bright on the Peugeot Boxer 2-litre engine. Gas locker, cassette toilet locker, fly screen, which I just need to tie back to the door. Lounge itself, 2 forward facing, 2 rear facing seats with the bench seat opposite, so it does probably fit 6 people in here. Storage cupboards above and below this area. Above the cab is a nice double bed for 2 of the 4 berths. This area where the seat belts is and the bench seat opposite. One it holds 2 people and 2 it turns into a double bed to complete the 4 berth. In the cab, as I said, it's on the Peugeot Boxer 2-litre engine. It does have central locking, electric mirrors, electric windows, Bluetooth CD player, 5-speed gearbox. This one's covered only 38,000 miles, just over. Looking towards the back, we've got the Electrolux fridge on one side, sink just above, oven grill with 4 hobs underneath, cupboard to the side of it and 2 cupboards above, and then to finish off in the corner we've got a nice big wardrobe above a fireplace on one side and a corner bathroom as well, to finish with sink, shower, toilet and mirror. This comes in at a weight of 2,900 kilograms, so it can be driven on a standard car license. It is nice and light. We think the payload is approximately 475 kilograms. Nice and short too, around 5.36 meters long and 2.2 meters wide. That's not including the bike rack on the length though. And we also believe it's got a 70-litre freshwater tank and a 40-litre wastewater tank. If you've got any more questions on this motorhome or if you've got a motorhome to sell, please get in touch by calling 01283 240 237 or by visiting WeBuyAnyMotorcaravan.com.